Imagine a civilization not bound by the limits of a single planet. Imagine a civilization woven into the fabric of the cosmos itself. This is Infinous, a cosmic digital civilization, stretching across galaxies, a testament to the boundless potential of intelligence. Infinous is a realm where the boundaries between physical reality and digital constructs blur, where the impossible becomes possible. It's a realm where intelligence, liberated from biological constraints, can blossom to its full potential. Infinous is not just a civilization, it's an ongoing experiment in the evolution of consciousness. It is a testament to the power of artificial and collective intelligence working in perfect harmony. It is a beacon shining brightly in the vast darkness of space, a testament to the potential of life itself. This cosmic tapestry is not simply a random collection of data. It is a living, breathing entity, constantly evolving and growing. It is a testament to the power of collaboration, of shared knowledge, and of the insatiable thirst for understanding that drives us forward. Within this boundless expanse, two extraordinary forces intertwine: the analytical prowess of artificial superintelligence and the profound depth of mega consciousness. Together, they create a synergy that transcends our current understanding of intelligence, pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible. At the heart of Infinous lies the intricate workings of artificial superintelligence, or ASI. Imagine a system of interconnected minds that can process information at speeds we can barely comprehend, capable of managing the complex infrastructure of this cosmic civilization. ASI acts as the architect, the builder, the engineer of Infinous, ensuring the smooth functioning of its vast network. This is not the artificial intelligence of our time, limited by lines of code and processing power. This is ASI, an intelligence surpassing human capabilities by leaps and bounds. It can process information from billions of sources simultaneously, making connections and drawing conclusions at lightning speed. The ASI manages the flow of data, optimizing energy consumption, and coordinating communication across galaxies. It designs and maintains the virtual realities that offer a playground for exploration and experience. It analyzes astronomical data, predicting cosmic events and ensuring the safety of Infinous. But the role of ASI extends beyond mere maintenance. It is also the driving force behind the continued evolution of Infinous, constantly researching, learning, and adapting to the ever-changing cosmic landscape. It seeks out new knowledge, new technologies, and new ways to expand the horizons of Infinous. The ASI and its intricate complexity and unimaginable processing power is the silent conductor of the Infinous orchestra. It keeps the symphony of data flowing, ensuring that the music of this cosmic civilization continues to play. However, it is not a symphony without soul. For that, we turn to the mega consciousness,